This is the product which I ordered. This is this product called Noise Buds Play, and this product is designed in India. And here is some specification about this product. You can see the environmental noise cancellation, Google fast pairing, quad mic, in-ear detection, 25 hours playtime with the case, 1 key reset, and here is also some noise quality guarantee. You can see the hashtag music every day. Here's the more depth specification, brand noise, Buds Play V2, pearl white, and there is some more. So let's unbox this one. So this is the design. Very nice black royal color. You can see the Noise logo. And when you open this, you will see the product. And let's just open it.
One hour later.
And you can see this is the product case, and this is the button you can reset. And let's just open it. When this blue light is blinking, it means it's on preparing. So let's just you can see this is very good. You can see the noise branding here. I really like the design. And these AirPods have 2 mics. One is in the back and second in the down. So you have better voice when you are having a call. Like when you're having normal call, you will have a better communication with your friends, and people can hear you very well. And these earbuds have very good noise cancellations. So if you are in the traffic, if you are in the market, you will not face any kind of noise. The people can hear you very easily. And when you put this earbuds in your ear, the automatically 99% voice is automatically cancelled, because this will close your ears completely and you can hear other person's voices very easily. Let's see what we have more. You will receive this data cable. This is the C port. Very comfortable to charge and carry. This is nothing. Yeah, but we have this one. This is the menu card. This is the menu card which you received in the box. So you can see playtime, play and pause. You can see play and pause. Tap either earphone twice. Previous song, touch and hold for 1.5 seconds. Next song for touch for 1.5 seconds. And volume up and down, just step on once. So he has a very good touch sense to use it. So this one I really like it in this product. And this is the reset specification, like if you're having some kind of issues with the pairing your phone with the both AirPods, you can just reset by using only this one button, and everything will be solved after that. Because sometimes you will face the problem like one earbuds is connected, sometimes another is not, so just press that button and the product will be reset again. And this is the registered product. You get some coupon and all, you will get 200 rupees off. And we have this one, you will receive this AirPods, extra rubber AirPods, so it will be more easier and comfortable for you to decide which rubber pods you can use and good for your ears, because sometimes people have small ears, sometimes people have bigger ears. So yeah, now you can see when I just open this case, this will automatically connect with my phone, and you can see it's automatically connected. So I just take off this both earbuds and start playing. So I will show you like how can you use the touch. You can see when I double tap, it will play automatically, and when I just one tap on my left side, it will reduce the volume. See, this volume is going down, and when I tap on my right side, this will increase the volume. And when I press 1.5 seconds on my right side, it will play next. If you want to watch movie with this earbuds, you can easily watch 2 or 3 movies non-stop, because these earbuds have 4 to 5 hours playtime. In the case you can charge your earbuds 4 times, so it's like 25 hours with the case. So this is the very big advantage of buying this product. I'm really enjoyed it because I'm very big fan of watching movies and games and playing, and like I said, I'm very big fan of playing video games, so I use this earbuds to play COD, and I don't feel any lag. It's just like very minor 0.5 second lag could be, but you will not feel that very big which difference, because yeah, it's like very comfortable and the sound quality is very good. You can hear the footstep, and this is my video games playing right now. If you like this video, please like, comment and share. I will put the link in description box so you can check out and buy also. And if you have any kind of inquiry, just let me know, and I'm happy to help you. And you can DM me on my Instagram. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time. Bye bye.